Guys, I want to give you a sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy S9. It was announced on Sunday in New York City, and Samsung was nice enough to bring one out here to show it to us, to let us get a hands-on, and I wanted to be able to bring this to you first. So the first thing you'll notice is it looks very similar to the Galaxy S8. A lot of the changes are on the inside. They didn't necessarily totally redesign the outside. The biggest difference on the outside is just on the back. The fingerprint sensor is now below the camera to give you a little bit better access to it as opposed to next to the camera. Minor change. Again, most people will think, yeah, this looks a lot like the S8. But on the inside, they've got a much faster processor, and one of the biggest changes is the camera. So I want to demo some of those changes for you. First of all, they got a cool feature called AR Emoji. It creates an emoji from your face and then animates it as you talk, as your face moves. So that's Sam Boyk. Take a look. This is my AR emoji. And see, it tracks my eyebrows, tracks my mouth, my nose. Isn't that cool? This is the AR emoji of Megan. This is the AR emoji of Greg Dutra, which I think is hilarious. So that's kind of cool. One of the other big differences on the camera on the back here is designed for better low light photos. And it's the first smartphone from Samsung to have an actual manual aperture. It's a physical ring inside here that closes a little bit when, for example, you're outside to let less light in because it's so bright. But when you're inside, more importantly, it can open it up and let more light in. Theoretically, it's a feature that you see on SLR cameras, and theoretically, it should take better pictures in low light situations, which would be great for parents like me, always trying to take pictures of the kids and getting those blurry pictures. They say it'll combat that. Now, I'm gonna try this. Bear with me because it didn't work the last time I tried it, mostly because of user error, but it's a new feature called Super Slo-mo. And this is crazy, 960 frames per second. This is like 3 or 4 times slower than the Slo-mo you probably have on your phone now. So we're gonna test it here. Now, you got that square on the screen. I'm going to hit record. It says, hold your phone steady. So the problem is I'm not steady enough. So once you get to the point there, so we wait for it. There we go. Waiting for motion. There we go. Slow motion recorded. Let's check it out. So here's the slow motion we just recorded. Wait until you see how incredible. Ah, that's Greg Dutra golfing. Wait until you see how incredibly slow this is. Here we go. Stand by. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh my gosh, isn't that awesome? Oh, I'm sorry, but that is really, really cool. Again, just some of the cool features. I haven't had time to do a full review on this, just a quick hands-on. Hopefully in the coming weeks we'll have one we can do a full review. And on the Samsung Galaxy S9, again, this is the S9, the larger model, the S9 Plus. They both come out on March 16th. I'm Kirk Yuhnke with FOX31. Have a good day.